Hi first graders, today for social studies we are going to discover our school neighborhood. This week we've been reading about Lucia's neighborhood in our Journeys lessons, and today we're going to talk about our neighborhood, the neighborhood that's around our school. Before we discover what's in our neighborhood, we need to predict what you think that we might see, hear, and smell in this neighborhood. So go ahead, pause the video, take a second to talk with your homework helper. What might you see around the school? What might you hear? Could you smell anything? Nice job with those predictions. Let's start discovering our school neighborhood. We're going to pretend that we're on a walk together right now. Okay, here's where we're going to start. Bonduel Elementary School. If we looked across the street, we would see the middle school. And if we walked down and around, we would see the high school. Another thing that we might see would be the Bellin Health Clinic. That's really close to our school. This is definitely in our neighborhood. If we kept walking past the clinic, we would see, anybody know what this is? The fire department. Yep, the fire station. And last week was actually Fire Prevention Week. And if we were all at school together, we might have been able to go check out the fire trucks. And I'm sure you did that in kindergarten, so you know what that's all about. So you know exactly where this is in your neighborhood. The next category that I put on here, things that we could see in our neighborhood, and might be where we could smell some things in our neighborhood, would be some restaurants that there are in Bonduel, in our neighborhood. So here's the Hungry Bear, here's Amico's. What might you smell? Some yummy food, huh? And here you might have heard the fire engine. And the last place I put on here in our neighborhood was the Bonduel Public Library. And friends, there are many other places in our neighborhood that you might have thought of that I did not think of. I know that there's a lot of churches and a lot of homes. There's a few assisted living places, like for older people to live. And there's a few stores downtown and a gas station Quick Trip. Now I want you to talk about your home and your neighborhood. So what about your neighborhood at your house? Do you live very close to the school? Do you have many of the same places in your neighborhood? Or do you live closer to Shawano or a different community? Where do you live and what's in your neighborhood? Is there a restaurant you like to go to? Is there a library that you like to go to? Maybe there's even some cool stores or different activities that you can go and do in your community. Talk with your homework helper about what you might see, hear, or smell in your local neighborhood. Thanks for listening and talking with me today, friends, about your neighborhood. And you can continue to think about it as we discuss Lucia's neighborhood in our Journeys book. And I hope you have a great day.